Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall and reinstall NVIDIA drivers. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. And first up, if you can see the NVIDIA app right here, right click on it and click on exit. Okay. And then once that's done, go to your start menu, right click on it, click on installed apps. And then once done, go ahead and find NVIDIA right here in the search bar. Okay. Type it down. Uninstall everything from here. Uninstall, uninstall. Uninstall it. Do the same thing to all available NVIDIA services right here or software. Okay. And then once that's done, just go ahead and open up your favorite browser and find NVIDIA app. All right. So hit on enter. Now click on download NVIDIA app for gamers and creators right here. And then just click on download now. All right. Now go ahead and save it wherever you want. I'm just going to save it on my desktop and then just wait for the process to finish. After that, click on the installer or go ahead and find the installer. Okay. Double click on it. Wait for it to load. Click on yes, as there will be a pop-up. Now from here, just basically follow simple prompts. Click on agree and continue. Wait a bit. And after that, your NVIDIA app will just automatically install. And then once it's installed, you now go ahead and select which driver you would like to use. For example, you have here game ready drivers and NVIDIA Studio driver. So I'm editing and gaming sometimes in my computer, so I use Studio driver. If you're just gaming all the time, well, use game ready driver and just click on next. If you want to optimize your games and creative applications, well, enable it. If not, disable it. Then click on next. If you want to use NVIDIA overlay, okay, use game filters, record your games, well, leave it enabled. If not, disable it. Click on next, log in right here, or skip. Okay. And then finally, to update your drivers, click on drivers right here. Select again, studio or game ready. Then just click on install. First up, there will be a button right here that says download. And once the download is done, an install button will be available. So click on install, wait for the process to finish. And then after that, restart your computer, and then once done, you're good to go. That is how you install and reinstall the NVIDIA drivers. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.